Hi everyone, it's Tereese. I'm back with another video, and today is a different video. It is Happy Mail video that I wanted to come on real quick and share two cards I got in the mail. First is this card from Gina, and she is Perfectly Imperfect Crafts by Gina. Let me make sure. Yes, Perfectly Imperfect Crafts by Gina. And to me, this is perfect. I love everything about this card. And I think this is a 5x5 card. She left me a sweet little note on the other side. I love it. I'm going to, put this, I want to put this in a journal somehow with the envelope. Look how pretty the envelope is. Oh my gosh. And Gina, I'm going to send my packet. I haven't had a chance to send it out. But I will send it out as soon as I can. I have it all ready. It just needs to be dropped off at the mailbox, and I probably will do that. I'm hoping I can do that tomorrow. But so she sent me this beautiful card, and we are swapping altered playing cards, and this is the card that she sent me, and I just love it. It has a beautiful lace pocket. Look at this card, guys. I just love everything about it. Even on the back is all decorated, and it has, an eyelet. And then even on the main card, there's an eyelet. But there's one more thing, and look at all these beautiful papers. And then she made I think, she made this paper bead, and she sewed it in to the card. I just love this idea. Oh my God, I do. I really do. I need to try and make some of these paper beads. Gina, do you have a video of showing how to make these paper beads? Because I would love to learn how to make them. Oh my gosh, that is gorgeous. So I'm going to put your name and your information on the back of your card, so I remember that this came from you. Thank you, thank you. And the last card, well, the other card that I received is from Papercraft Crystal. And I think this was a random, or not, yeah, I think it's a random rack of kindness from Crystal, because inside it says, sending you crafty hugs. Just a note to say, I hope you have a wonderful day. Isn't that awesome? And beautiful gatefold card with this beautiful lace. Oh, I love this idea. I need to do more random acts of kindness to people. I reached out to Gina, but I'm going to send something to Crystal as well. So thank you, ladies, for your wonderful cards. I so appreciate your kindness and your generosity. So I want to thank everybody for watching. Have a great week, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, everyone.